today I thought I would play around with whatever is in this area and have some fun. Hi. Smushed my house. This one's huge. There you go. No, that's not gonna work there. Okay. Let's try again. This one needs to go. Yeah, try one more time. Having to try to find the right rock to fit to make your rock formation. It's a lot of work. As you can see, keep dropping mine. Maybe I'll make it a little bit more stable. I'll give it some legs. Building a wall, it looks like. This is actually really relaxing. I like doing this. Even though it keeps falling down, I really like this. This is peaceful. Surprisingly, I found this very relaxing to do. As an expressive art therapist, you kind of just play with what you have around you, what you're drawn to. was more interested in stacking rocks, which is just a simple thing to do. It doesn't take much to stack a rock. And just thinking about where to place a rock, how to level it. I tried different ways. I am not a builder of a rock wall, but I really enjoyed it. And to be able to take your mind off of the day-to-day, this is something that is really easy to do. Just go outside, find some rocks and start stacking them up and see how it makes you feel. Does it make you feel better? Does it make you feel worse? Do you just want to throw the rocks? Definitely do not want to throw the rocks. I wanted to stack them. But there's that option. There's that way. You can go way out and play with just stacking them or just collecting them and lining them up. It just depends on how you feel. And today I felt like stacking rocks and watching them fall, which was also fun to do, except when it knocked out the camera. That was a little scary. To be able to enjoy something like that, to relieve some of the stress that you have, take your mind off things, why don't you try stacking some rocks, see how it makes you feel. I'm so happy that you've joined my expressive art session. I'm Janet, I'm an expressive art therapist, and thank you for joining my studio. It's a work in progress, and I hope to see you next week.